Seeking a reputable roofing company in Gibsonia, PA, A+ BBB accreditations plus free estimates means zero surprises, except how polite our crews are. We will even finance at 0% for 12 months, if the piggy bank's on vacation. Let's fix that drip before it turns into heirlooms into water features. At MY Pittsburgh Roofing, we specialize in delivering top-tier roofing services tailored to your needs. As a family-owned business, we take pride in our certification, ensuring quality workmanship every time. Whether it's a minor repair or full roof replacement, we got you covered. Let's face it, roofing problems are never convenient. Leaks, storm damages, missing shingles, they hit at the worst time and can quickly turn into bigger issues if ignored. At MY Pittsburgh Roofing, we build our name on fixing those problems fast and right. Need new roof? Our team walks you through every step, from initial roof inspection to material selection to final roof installation. We handle roof replacements, roof repairs, even flat roofing and shingle roofing with expert precision. Want shingle roofing? We are certified and experienced. For businesses, our commercial roofing services keep your operations covered. And it doesn't stop there. We're also installing siding and gutters, making you a one-stop shop for full exterior protection. Every project is led by certified pros and backed by strong warranties, financing options, and hundreds of 5-star reviews from Pittsburgh area customers. If you want quality roofing without the runaround, let's talk. Schedule a roof inspection today and experience how roofing should be done.